guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amanda for the new people tuning in. Today I'll be doing this quick and easy Valentine's Day makeup look. If you guys like it, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I already did one eye off camera and I did my full face off camera. Now I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into the other eye. The palette I'm going to be using is the Sir John and Luminous. Okay, so the look that I'm going for is like a easy Valentine's Day look, and I'm just gonna go into two shades in this palette. So I'm just gonna go into King and Pride Rock. The first one I'm gonna go into is King, and I'm just gonna take a big fluffy blending brush and put it right into the crease. I wanted to create something easy because sometimes we don't have time to do all this dramatic makeup. So I am doing this that is really easy. I'm just making sure that everything is blended. I'm taking it all the way to the brow bone. And I'm also gonna bring you guys in a little bit closer. Now I'm just gonna take some of that Pride Rock with a blending brush, but it's a smaller blending brush. And I'm also adding that to the crease just to darken it up a little, but I don't want to darken it that much. Okay. And now I'm just gonna go back into the blending brush that I use with whatever is left on it and just start blending both shades together. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do my liner. I'm going to be using the Super Precise eyeliner in black from Essence. Okay, so now the liner is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put this on top of the liner. This is like a glitter liner, and I'm just gonna apply it right on top of the liner that I did. And then on top of this one, I'm just gonna add this NYX glitter. It's loose glitter. Now I'm just gonna put some of this glitter on the top, and then I'll just use an angled brush and just tap it there and just start adding it to the liner. Since the liner is still kind of wet, it's just gonna stick right on it. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want more of a glitter, and this liner, I mean, it does have glitter, but it doesn't have a lot of glitter. And now I'm just gonna put on my lashes. These are the Color lashes, but I did add some individual lashes to it because I wanted more of a fuller lash. So now I'm just gonna add some of the duo adhesive. So while those lashes still dry, I'm going to go ahead and do my bottom lash line. I'm just gonna add the bronzer I used. This is the Becca and Chrissy palette, and I'm just gonna put it on the bottom lash line. Now I'm also gonna add a black kohl liner, and then I am just gonna smudge this liner with an angled eyeliner brush. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop on my lash. So my eyelash glue is still drying, but I am going to go ahead and move on to my lips. So I have 3 red lipsticks. 3 red lipsticks here. This one is the Fenty Beauty lipstick in Uncensored. This one is the MAC Feel So Grand liquid lip. And this is the Dose of Color and I Love Sarai Fresa color. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them and pick out which one is the one I want. So these are the 3 colors. The first one is the Fenty Beauty Uncensored, which is this one. Then this is the MAC lipstick in Feel So Grand, and then this is Fresa. So I think I'm going to go with Fresa, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm gonna go in with this Avon True Red lip liner. And this is the shade of that lip liner. And I'm gonna go ahead and just line my lips. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in.
Audio Jungle.
I don't know how I feel about this color. I think it's a little bit too intense for me, for my preference. So I'm just gonna go on top of it with the Feel So Grand from MAC and darken it up a little. Okay, so this feels way better. And yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys can get notified as soon as I upload, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!